Fatboy is a Dutch design brand that was launched 20 years ago. And yeah, most famous for the beanbag. Actually, in some countries, they call a beanbag a Fatboy. And yeah, nowadays, we are selling our products in over 60 countries. And we have our HQ in Europe. And we have offices in the US. Over the last 2 decades, we have launched many more products than just beanbags. Of course, we have expanded our beanbag assortment. We have floating beanbags, we have beanbags for kids, beanbags for dogs. We have launched lighting, big hammocks. We launched, I don't know if you know it, it's the Lamzak. We were the first, which is a sort of bag that you can inflate really quickly, the air lounger. We were the first one to introduce that 2 years ago. And basically what you see is we are a brand, and what we want is to introduce every time a new iconic product. We are design fanatics, and if you look at Fatboy, what you see is all these products, they look as if they were almost designed by a kid. They look very simple, but there's much more to it. And our objective is always to launch icons. And sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail. But one important thing for Fatboy is that people, they need to experience the product. Just an image is not enough anymore. So in the past, we had a lot of retail stores. Retail is struggling. So we need another solution in order to really show the added value of our products and why our products are so unique. And that's why we started with CGTrader ARsenal. And basically, the reason why we believe it is such a big priority and a future for us is if we look at Fatboy, we are a company, approximately 30% of our business is done by our own website, our own web shop, fatboy.com. 30% of our business is done via our pure players, our eCom players. So in the US, for instance, Macy's is a client. And 30% is still done by brick and mortar omni-channel players. And CGTrader ARsenal, the augmented reality solution, has a benefit for each of our big channels. And actually it has transformed our sales strategy. So we use augmented reality, or we will use, because we're launching it today on our website, we will launch augmented reality on our website, initially on our brand website, to really engage the consumer and to show the consumer the uniqueness of our products. So you can really see the textures, the different colors. But we will also offer this solution to our e-commerce and our pure players, because offering this as a brand to our big pure player clients is a huge benefit for them, because it will help them to reduce the returns. And as you can imagine, our products, the Fatboy products, are pretty big and bulky. Shipping a product is around $100. Taking a return is another $100, so you make no profit. So that's why this is a huge benefit. And finally, that's something that we only envisioned later. The augmented reality solution for us as a brand is a huge benefit for our omni-channel brick and mortar stores. They are struggling a lot right now, and our products, we have a fairly big product portfolio. Products are big, and it's impossible to have all these products on stock in store. And with this solution, actually stores can have the full Fatboy assortment in their store, can show it to their consumers, and by linking it to a drop shipment solution, our brick and mortar omni-channel players, they can actually sell the entire Fatboy collection without having it on stock, like an endless aisle solution. So we are very happy about that. But like I said in the beginning, we are a design company. So our main focus is to design products, and that's the thing that we like to do. And investing a lot of money in a big AR solution is, that's not what we are best at. So that's why we were so happy with CGTrader ARsenal. By just sending a link to our product page or a 2D image, they are able to transform that in an augmented reality solution, so that we are able, so they send us a link, we can just copy paste that to our website, and we have augmented reality. No need to download any app, no need to do any expensive investments. So it allows us, not the biggest brand in the world, but a relatively small design brand to suddenly be one of the front runners in augmented reality, which is of course a big asset. I don't know if it looks, this is a sort of sort of preview. This is just a 3D model. This is how it would look on a desktop. But if you go to the Fatboy website, you can actually discover on the beanbag page how it looks and how you can place the augmented reality product in real life and see it for yourself.